Thus, I am going to explain construction of pair of tangent to a circle from an external point P. This is third method. Example 4.31. Draw a circle of a diameter 6 cm from a point P which is 8 cm away from its center. Draw the two tangents PA and PB to the circle and measure the lengths. This is the sum. The given diameter is equal to 6 cm. So we find out radius. Radius is equal to 6 divided by 2, 3 cm. Then the external point, how much they given? 8 cm away from its center. That is called OP. OP is equal to 8 cm. This is the rough diagram. In external point we have to draw two tangents. One is PA, another one is PB. Like this we have to draw the rough diagram. The same like we have to draw the main diagram. I will explain in the exercise sum. See the 14th sum. Draw the two tangents from a point which is 10 cm away from the center of a circle of a radius 5 cm. Also measure the length of the tangents. So the given radius is 5 cm. The external point OP away from the center 10 cm. See the rough diagram. Draw the circle, then you have to make one point in external point, that is P. We have to draw two tangents. Like this we have to draw the touching point A, the another touching. Draw the radius OA, then OB. Now you have to join OP. Now you have to measure the lengths 10 cm, then the radius is 5 cm. Now let us see the main diagram. The radius 5 cm, so take a radius 5 cm on the scale first. You have to keep the note like this. Horizontally we have to draw the figure. Take a radius 5 cm on a scale. Now draw the circle. Center O. Away from the center 10 cm. You keep it on the scale. Center O. Now you have to mark a radius 10 cm. Away from the center we have to draw line. That is considered as OP 10 cm. Now we have to draw the perpendicular line for OP. Take a length more than half or otherwise 3/4 of the length we have to take from OP. You make an arc above and below. Then P as a radius, we have to draw one arc, intersect the arc. Now we have to join the arcs. We get perpendicular line for OP. This consider as M. Now MO as a radius. MO as a radius, we have to make a circle. The circle along with OP. Go along with OP. Now the two circles meet at point. That is considered as A. That is considered as B. Now we have to join PA. PA is a tangent, one tangent. PB is another tangent. Now we have to join OA, that is radius. Then OP, another radius. We have to make a dotted line, that is considered as 5 cm. Now we have to measure with a scale. The length of the tangent is how much? 8.7 cm. That should be verified by a calculation. This is considered as 90 degree. The 90 degree opposite side always is called hypotenuse. Now we want to find out PA. How do you find out? In the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out OP squared is equal to OA squared plus PA squared. We want to find out PA. So OP already given 10 squared, OA is 5 squared, is plus PA is we don't know, so we want to find out PA squared. Now 10 squared means 100, then 5 squared means 25 plus PA squared. So we have to interchange and to find out PA squared is equal to 100 minus 25. So now PA squared is equal to 75. We want to find out PA. The square root of 75, it is considered as 8.7 centimeter. Already we find out in the scale. So PA and PB is 8.7 centimeter. The rough diagram, then main diagram, the calculation. Totally 8 marks this sum for.